Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Jasmineite tray with neon pigments by Mrs. Collarberry. And this tray mold is by MacLeod resin artist, and so is the Jasmineite. And what I'm going to do is I will try using a dropper bottle with Jasmineite, and I would try to draw lines and dots with it. So first I'm going to mix my Jasmineite. And now I am filling the dropper bottle with the Jasmineite that I made, and I will make some lines and dots. You can also do this with a piping bag. I just randomly made some dots and lines with it, and now I mixed some blue color with the fluorescent green for another shade. Next time I'm going to try with a piping bag too, because this dropper bottle was hard to squeeze the Jasmineite out. And here I'm adding some tomato chips in the blue color that I made in the previous video. You can make any design with it. It's starting to look like a geode. And now I thought about adding resin to fill the mold. I will add some golden glitter and gold foil to fill the gaps. I want this to look like a geode, so that's why I'm adding some glitter lines to it. And in another cup, I thought about adding some neon Jasmineite chips that I made. Sorry for that. Also, I noticed that in the resin the jasminite chips settled at the bottom and the resin came on top. So now I'm just taking out the jasminite chips and adding it to the resin. And here is the look of it, a close-up. And I will wait for this to cure overnight and then I would fill the mold till the top. Now it's been about 6 hours and I'm adding the blue, dark blue color by Mrs. Berry. It's called Petrol, and I've also added some opal glitter in it, and I'm going to fill the mold to the top. This color is by far my favorite color, Petrol. And we are ready to demold this. Oh wow, I just love these neon fluorescent colors. What do you think about it? I will now sand off the terrazzo chips. Look at this, these chips in resin, they look gorgeous. Gives a very ethnic look. Here is a close-up. This is after I sanded off the jasminite. I thought I might add some lines with my white and gold and black markers, and then I'm going to resin it. And now I'm adding resin to it and I will let it cure for 12 hours and you will see how's the final look. Another thing I learned about just pouring resin on jasminite is that there are a lot of bubbles that come to the top even after torching it. It does not make any difference. So I had to do 2 to 3 layers because I had to sand off all the bubbles and then do it again. So just be careful when you pour resin on top of jasminite. And this is the final look of the tray. Let me know what you think about this in comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.